Mailbox gone, Wendy? Guy lost control way up in the corner. We're looking at 100 yards of lost control. He knocked out Debo's culvert. Up a little bit. Got a hubcap over there. Got a hubcap way up there. You're walking. Actually, there's a dead kitten up there. It's hard to say if he swerved for it or actually hit it. But it came around the curve, went in the ditch, hit that culvert, topped out, swerved over here. I don't know if you can see the track, but kind of right here. Okay. Boom. And here's probably where he lost his rear end. Hit that. So everything started coming apart before the box. Unless the box actually...
You need to actually hit the box on the passenger side. If he came through, because you look at the passenger side of the...
Ah, see that? So... that probably knocked the rear end off or loosened it so much, whereas he had to jump completely over this driveway.
There's a tow truck coming.
Oh, get that one.
Yeah. Okay, and then you get a tow truck. I mean, and there's the jack cab we were going to take, but we thought, nah, the guy could be legit. Not Scotty, it's that kind of a...
What if he makes tire tracks?
He's got this. Don't want to get in the way though. You can go in our yard now. Okay. He was kicking around. Day August 24th, 1996, 7:16. Cool. Doesn't want to ride over anything. Oh, anyways, the truck, you guys. We can get the truck on tape yet. Pretty cool, eh? He dove completely over the stairway.
I think he snapped a U-turn.
Oh, off just go off.
It's kind of funny what Robert said. Hear all the noise last night, expect to hear sirens.
Yeah.
I never saw a crash.
No, Mom might have heard it, or Coach heard it. It happened about 2 a.m. in the morning. I did move it, but right through my shadow is part of Wendy's mailbox is over here. So that's probably another, oh boy, 50 yards. Sun. What do you think, Alex? That truck all wrecked?
I can't believe there was a crash.
I know. When everybody leaves, we'll show you where it started. Watch your tow truck. Tow truck goes up in the air a little bit. Alex said the truck was wrecked. Think you do a little quicker about it? I'm falling asleep.
I don't know how they're going to get the wheels out.
Roll them over. Roll it in that.
We'll put the stairs on. Dad just went off there.
Morning, Duke. Hey, good morning, Duke. What's going on here? You know what? I'm running out of battery. Morning. Morning. Oh, sorry. Oh, here comes. Oh, the bottom. Let's see what that bottom looks like. Hey, they're missing parts.
I know.
Oh, brand new shock. What a shame.
I bet that was a nice truck, too.
Yeah, it looks like it's in pretty good shape.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Mom was right. He hit the passenger side. Good. Come on. Boy, don't hit our box there. It's okay, Alex. Step back out.
I think he's going around the
Guess
block.
you can get the truck out now. Oh, what a mess. See, the thing is, the truck will wander too. That's the way it is. Baby.
No, it'll go on there.
Because he's not going to be able to steer it from the back front.
Means if you try to fix it.
Yeah. No, if he drags it like that, it's just going to go all over the road.
Oh, that's because it's going on that.
Oh,
Then you got the back.
He's not breaking it. He's going.
no,
That
you didn't
truck is backing up, Dad. That truck over there. I think that's heavy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Pull the board out and just turn like pretty. Want some more derms? Good morning, and what a fine morning it is. Everything is going to pot. We have termites at the cabin, and here we have a person back in our front
These are candy.
Oh, this is good. too much sun though.
And to tell us you can't come to our house anymore. Yeah, we need to
Well, that's your job.
Watch out for flying debris.
Well, this has been good. Now there's a road plane here, a road damage.
Sure, now someone's gonna hit your van. Luckily, you'll cleared up there, are they? No. What do you think, Alex? Are they gonna be able to do it? What are these, Doritos? Oh, vegetable.
cream cheese and black olive.
Good thing you picked that up, eh?
Yeah, the tires might come off.
It's a tough one to get up there. Yeah, but so many tires are on there. Oh, a lot of tires on that one, eh?
Get up.
Yeah, he's backing up. He's trying to straighten it out a little bit. Makes a lot of noise, doesn't it? Yeah? Now they gotta work together on this. Looks like it's gonna work. Uh-oh. Hurry up, guys. Don't want that on the road. That's oil. Get the pan, eh?
Fire.
So now we're gonna have oil slick on high view.
Well, now we can do burners. Line her up and
Yeah, gotta be careful when you ride your bike.
maybe a neutral drop.
Okay, smell it. Pretty exciting. Pretty exciting for Highview Acres. Yeah, a little bit of oil. A little bit of oil leak. No, that's the end of that. No explosions.